The purpose of this demonstration is to show the proper procedure for determining drilling fluid density using the Fann Model 140 mud balance. This test procedure is a method for determining the mass of a given volume of liquid, which is equivalent to density. The mud balance is the instrument used for drilling fluid density determinations. The mud balance is designed such that the drilling fluid cup at one end of the beam is balanced by a rider which is moved along the balance arm to indicate the density of the drilling fluid. There is a knife edge attached to the arm near the balance cup and a bubble level built into the knife edge to indicate level. A fulcrum is mounted on a base stand or in the plastic carrying case. The 4 calibrated scales on the mud balance allow drilling fluid density to be read directly in units of pounds per gallon, pounds per cubic foot, grams per cubic centimeter, or as a drilling fluid pressure gradient in psi per 1,000 feet depth. Begin the test by placing the base stand or carrying case on a flat level surface. Measure and record the temperature of the drilling fluid sample to be tested. Fill the clean, dry cup with drilling fluid. Put the cap on the filled drilling fluid cup and rotate the cap until it is firmly seated. Ensure that some of the drilling fluid is expelled through the hole in the cap in order to free any trapped air or gas. Holding the cap firmly on the drilling fluid cup with the cap hole covered, wash or wipe the outside of the cup clean and dry. Place the beam on the base support and balance it by moving the rider along the graduated scale. Balance is achieved when the bubble is under the center line. Read the drilling fluid density from one of the 4 calibrated scales on the arrow side of the rider. Report the drilling fluid density to the nearest 0.1 pounds per gallon, a half a pound per cubic foot, or 0.01 grams per cubic centimeters, which is equivalent to specific gravity. Empty the sample cup, clean and dry the entire assembly as soon as possible. The mud balance calibration should be checked frequently using fresh water. At 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or 21 degrees Celsius, fresh water should give a reading of 1.0 on the specific gravity scale, 8.34 on the pounds per gallon scale, and 62.3 on the pounds per cubic foot scale. This spot on the balance arm is marked with a longer scale division line called the water line. Small amounts of mud on the balance arm or rider can cause improper readings. If the mud balance does not give the correct reading for fresh water, the instrument should be thoroughly cleaned. For more information about the Model 140 mud balance, contact Fann Instrument Company online or by phone.